Mike Innovative Door. I'm going to show you how we properly brace a Wayne Dalton door. They have two different types of doors, a real skinny one and then a pretty like an 1 3/8 thick one. And what we do, we put a 9-foot brace here on the bottom of the top, and then we put a 16 up top, lag it in all over the place, then bolt angle from there to there with a lock nut. And it's a much sturdier mount than what they give you, which is this 3-inch strut, which is compromised by being cut here. And they give you this cheese ball bracket to mount on the top. Sometimes people mount them on the brace because they don't know what the heck they're doing. And then it trashes the top section, and then they call us because they're sick of the mess, and voila. For all your garage door needs of fixing and repairing Wayne Dalton doors, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Thank you for watching our Wayne Dalton repair door video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Check the link for further description and details. And no, I didn't lose the door yet. Lord bless you.